Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be me doing my makeup in reverse. I saw James Charles do this and I was like, maybe I should do it. I'm very nervous and scared on how to do this, but I feel like we're gonna do this. We're gonna conquer this, and yeah. And I hope you guys like this video and give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. And let's get on with the video. So since usually I would do setting spray last, but since we're doing it in reverse, this is the first thing I'm going to use. So this is the setting spray by Sephora that I've showed like I don't know how many times in this. Showed how many times. So just gonna spray it on like this. And go like that. Using, which usually would be last, but what am I doing? Oh my god, I already look crazy. Next is going to be contour. I'm going to be using the Profusion Contour Kit. And I'm going to be using this color. I'm going to use my Morphe brush, contour brush. And pray to God that it comes out. I'm gonna blend that in with a beauty blender. God. So, since that was that, I'm gonna go in with eyeshadow. So, since it's in reverse, I'm going to be going into dark to light instead of light to dark. Oh wait, no, I'm gonna go in with mascara. That's So next I'm going to go in with, I guess, highlighter. I'm going to be using my highlight brush. I'm going to be using my highlight brush. For highlight, I'm going to be using, probably use this color, gold-like color. Oh, I hope this comes out. Now I'm gonna go in eyeshadow, and since we are not going to be using, since we're going to be using the dark color first, I'm gonna go in with this brownish color. I'm praying to God that it works. I look crazy. Oh my God. So now I'm gonna go in with this color, just like lighter brown or whatever. Gonna go in with my, oh my God.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine, and you're not really fine, but you just can't.
Your shade. Go in like that. Oh my gosh. And now since eyeshadow is done, we're gonna go in. Usually first I do foundation, powder, foundation, concealer, then powder. Since that's not gonna do with powder, concealer, then foundation. So first I'm gonna take my powder and concealer. I'm going to be using my Wet n Wild concealer. Just gonna conceal everywhere. I usually conceal. Oh my God. God, I look crazy. Let's just hope I don't look like Flashback Mirror. With my foundation. Gonna go with my beauty blender.
Oh my God!
Okay, so I look crazy. To finish the look, I um I have no idea what to say to this. This is like literally something I wanted to try. Um I mean, I guess I don't look that bad, but I can definitely say my eyeshadow looks kind of crazy. I look I have no idea. But I hope you guys liked this video. This video was a little short. But this video was something I wanted to try. I saw James Charles do it like a couple weeks ago, and I was like, maybe I should start it. Maybe I should try it. And I guess it doesn't look that bad, but yeah. Is it just me or do I look like Flashback Mary? But yeah. So I see you guys soon, and I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more videos. If you guys want me to do more videos, let me know in the comment. If you guys want me to do more like videos like this, let me know in the comment section below. Give me some ideas of what videos I should do, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.